Okay, exercise number 2. What if I wanted to capo for the E chord shape? So my 1-4-5 would be E-A-B. What I would think about is, hey, E is my thick string open. If anytime I'm dealing with an open string, that's where I want to put the capo. So I would grab my capo and I would put it at the 9th fret because that's a D flat note. So if I'm capoed at the 9th fret, my 1 chord would be E, my 4 chord would be A, my 5 chord would be B, but I would capo up here at the 9th fret. Okay, I'm going to stay down here. And we'll pick another rhythm for number 2. And let's check out number 10. In 3/4, playing straight eighth notes. This one can be tricky because we're so used to be playing in 4/4 that dropping that one beat can be a challenge, especially for playing straight eighth notes and we get going along. So I'll be playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that doesn't mean you have to play the same rhythm as me. You could play any of the other ones in 3/4. You could do 9, you could do 11, 12, 13. You could do any of those. But I'll be plowing ahead on straight eighth notes. And we'll pick this tempo. Let's see, let's do this. 1. We'll go a little faster because we have 2 measures of each chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5, 4, 1, 5, repeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5,